Hi, welcome back to the channel. So a review of Lanoguard on my Royal Enfield Classic 350 motorbike. So I first came across Lanoguard when I wanted to treat my Willys Jeep with under sealant. I didn't want to go down the route of something that's quite hard to apply and stuff. And Lanoguard, as you can see here, was really easy to apply, nice clean finish, stuff doesn't stick to it. It leaves like a candle wax style sort of feel to it. But I've been really impressed with the versatility of Lanoguard. I also cycle fat bikes on beaches, and these bikes take a pounding with salt water. Marine environment obviously. And coating a lot of the parts of bikes, from the spoke nipples to cassettes, brake rotor, bolts, greasing the cables as well with the motor grease, really makes a difference to the lasting of these bikes. Stuff that already is rusty, when you treat it, like here a cassette ring, a steel ring, it stops the rust progressing any worse. So it made sense to do my Royal Enfield, as it's been used right through this winter as my only transport when my van blew up. So anyway, so I bought the motorbike complete kit, here it is, and the thing that's impressed me, as well as the normal Lanoguard stuff, the treatment, is how good the grease is on the chain, and how much it's actually costing to keep the chain greased compared to buying the regular aerosol sprays. I don't seem to end up with a rusty chrome rollers on my chains now either, since I've started using the motor grease compared to previous aerosol sprays. It's a replacement chain, however, since I've got this chain I've been using the motor grease on it, and I'm really impressed how long it stays. That's not grease on the rim, that's just dirt, that's why I'm wiping it to show you. It doesn't fling off the chain, that's the most impressive thing as well for a grease. If the chain's really dirty as well, you can just use a cloth like I do, it's an old towel I use. Just spray the Lanoguard spray, motor spray on, and just wipe the chain, and you'll see it takes all that black grime off. So you can do that as well before you grease. So it's very easy to apply, it's a firm grease, you can see, but it starts coming away in your fingers. To work it in your fingertips, you can just quickly put that on. So you can use it like that, you can use it to put on the threaded threads, anything that you want to put extra protection on, works a treat. The great thing as well is how clean this stuff is. See this now, how you can just wipe your hands, it's just really clean. There you go. But really easy stuff to use. So the Moto spray is designed for chassis, but if you do spray not just underneath but sides of your bike and stuff, it actually dries clear. It's a candle wax type finish. It doesn't dry with a stain on your chassis anyway. And the electrical spray I use on all connectors now instead of grease. It's just slightly thinner, you'll see, but it's really good on electrical connectors. So this is the bigger tub that I've got from the chassis kit. You can see it's hard. Now I've used that model, it's cheap, and look how little it's been used, and I've just done this when I was using it. I've heated it, then brushed it onto shredded bolts, and it's like a couple of areas that needed a bit extra treatment. It doesn't take long, 10 seconds of heat gun, you can then brush it onto your chain and it will dry and return back to the same hard candle wax feel finish. It's probably the best way to put it on the chain. And just paint it onto the chrome rollers, and the insides of your outside plates. You can see that, it's quite simple to do, isn't it? No science involved, but it does work really well. So that should keep the chain rust free for a good 2 or 3 weeks now. It used to be a weekly job with aerosol sprays, but I find this is lasting a lot better. Yeah, so there you go, lovely smooth chain, ready to rock and roll. We'll have a look at the fasteners and spokes on this bike. No rust at all after a British winter. That's really impressive. Not much muck sticking out either. So hope you enjoyed this. Come over and say hi, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Come and say hello, do like a bit of chat with folk. I always reply to comments as folk take the time to comment. It's only polite to reply. So thanks for watching and catch you all soon again. Bye for now.